Welcome back to MS Market. Today we're going to short review the video door phone. So first we start with unboxing. There you can see a user manual, indoor unit, outdoor unit, adapter, cable, wall mount stand, some clips, wire clips, and screw and dowel plugs. There you can see different button with signs given in indoor unit, mic, loudspeaker. If your distance is long, you can buy a telephone 2-pair roll. Operating instruction is also given in this manual, complete detail. If you read it carefully, you can easily install it. There you can see full view, very clear result. So if you want to buy, it's available in our store. You can see links in description. Our website also available in our store, Islamabad Itercom 1, and you can also get home delivery all over Pakistan. Now we are going to check this night visions, and also there you have a loudspeaker for 2 audio option. You can also call from this button. You can also call out bell, and here we have door unlock button. An electric door lock work with this model. The door lock, if you have already installed door lock in your home, you can just give port to this for lock. Electric door lock does not come along with this model. So now we are going to check these buttons. There you can see this button is for color. You can change color, light, control colors. Okay. There you can enter button bright for brightness. This one is for sound, up down. This one is for volume, ring volume, and this one is for 2 audio. Now we are going to check the night vision of camera. There you can see the lights, night out vision night is on. This is called IR night vision. You can also check the result of IR night vision. This is night result. You can check whole view in night. In night you get this kind of result. It's in the old version of this model, the searchlight given in this, but as you see in this new model, no searchlight, but company given us IR night vision, and that's pretty good, because in old version some people face the issue of searchlight get fuse or dim. something kind of like that issue. And those are not very high kind of light. So that's pretty good because IR night vision not get fuse or dim, and it's for a very long time. I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe the channel.